I have found a new favorite bullet lipstick. It's from Absidy. It's their Cashmere Kiss in the shade Macaron. I'll show you guys gaano kaganda yung shade na to. See? Gaano kaganda yan? Swatch natin sa lips ko. Tingnan nyo. Sarap niya i-glide sa lips. Very smooth and very pigmented, you guys. May 13 shades sila, pero ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Itong Macaron. This has squalene, hyaluronic acid, and shea butter. So, very moisturizing lips. Matte siya, pero very, very lightweight on the lips. Hindi siya mukhang ang dami mong nilagay. Hindi. Ganyan siya kaganda. Very comfortable to wear talaga. Parang wala kang nilagay sa lips mo. And this is really my new favorite right now. Tingnan mo yung ano niya. See how nice is that? Napaka-premium ng packaging niya, guys. So far, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko.